Good afternoon, dear students. In the last class, we have discussed about the Mendeleev's periodic table. Okay, Mendeleev periodic table and Mendeleev's law. How he is classified the elements also we have discussed. Okay, in that what is the RO2, what is the RO, R2O3, that is the formulas instead of R any element. And today I am going to discuss about the achievements of Mendeleev's periodic table. What are the achievements is there? Okay, already we have discussed about the Mendeleev periodic table. It is the most acceptable periodic table compared than Dober-Reiner and Newlands. Okay, now achievements. Achievements of Mendeleev's periodic table. So what are the achievements is there? When he is developing the periodic table, there were a few instances where Mendeleev had to place an element with a slightly greater atomic mass before an element with a slightly lower atomic mass. Okay, while developing the periodic table, while Mendeleev is developing the periodic table, there were a few instances where Mendeleev had to place an element with a slightly greater atomic mass. Few instances is there where Mendeleev placed the elements. Actually, he is arranged the elements increasing order of their atomic masses. Already we are discussing, but slightly difference is there. There are a few instances where Mendeleev had to place an element with a slightly greater atomic mass before an element with a slightly lower atomic mass. Generally, first, when he is arranging the elements in the order of increasing atomic masses, first is a lower atomic mass, after that higher atomic mass element will be there. But here slightly different is there in the table. Once you have to observe, with a slightly greater atomic mass before an element with a slightly lower atomic masses. The sequence was inverted so that elements with similar properties could be grouped together. For example, which elements properties is inverted? Once you have to observe in the table, cobalt and another one is a nickel. Cobalt atomic mass they given 58.9. Appeared before nickel. What about the nickel atomic mass? Nickel atomic mass is a 58.7, but cobalt is a 58.9, nickel is a 58.7. According to increasing atomic masses, first nickel is there, after that cobalt is there, but here inverted the elements. Atomic mass of cobalt is a 58.9 and nickel is a 58.7. Once you have to observe the table, then you can easily understand. Okay, if you observe the periodic table, means you can get clear idea about the cobalt and nickel. Cobalt they given the 58.9, nickel they given 58.7. So it is inverted in the atomic masses. While developing the periodic table, there were a few instances where Mendeleev had to place an element with a slightly greater atomic mass, an element with slightly greater atomic mass an element with slightly greater atomic mass before an element with slightly before an element with a slightly lower atomic mass. Okay, the sequence was inverted. Okay, when Mendeleev had to place an element with a slightly greater atomic mass before an element with a slightly lower atomic mass. Before the slightly lower atomic mass, he kept the slightly greater atomic mass. Which is the greater atomic mass? Which is the lower atomic mass? The sequence was inverted. That is a cobalt and nickel. The sequence was inverted. The sequence was inverted so that elements with similar properties elements with similar properties could be grouped together. Could be grouped together. For example, we have to take which elements? Cobalt. For example, cobalt. What is the cobalt atomic mass? In the table they give an atomic mass of cobalt. How much they given? 58.9. This is a cobalt atomic mass. After the cobalt appeared before nickel. Okay, for example, cobalt atomic mass 58.9 appeared before nickel. Is appeared before nickel. Okay, what is the nickel atomic mass? Nickel atomic mass is 58.7. Atomic mass of nickel 58.7. Okay, so first here cobalt is there. Cobalt atomic mass is a 58.9. After that nickel is there, 58.7. So which is the greater? Slightly greater than the nickel. Here 58.7, here 58.9. So cobalt is slightly greater than the nickel, but they are kept the first cobalt, after that nickel. But Mendeleev arranged the element according to increasing of atomic masses. If we see, first cobalt is there, then after nickel is there. Cobalt atomic mass is some more compared than nickel. That's why this is a small variation is there. Can you find out one more such anomalous series? Anomalous means similar. Okay, so which is another one? Once you have to observe molybdenum and technetium. These are the cobalt and nickel in 8th group. Iron, cobalt, nickel is there, that is 8th group. And once you have to observe 6th group and 7th group. 6th group molybdenum is there, and 7th group technetium is there. Okay, sorry, tellurium and iodine. Tellurium is 127 and iodine is 126. Here also some difference is there, 127.6 and iodine 126.9. Okay, so Mendeleev, while developing the periodic table, there were a few instances where Mendeleev had to place an element with slightly greater atomic mass before an element with slightly lower atomic mass. The sequence was inverted so that elements with similar properties could be grouped together. Okay, So the sequence was inverted, but the elements with similar properties could be grouped together. For example, cobalt and nickel. Cobalt atomic mass is a 58.9, appeared before nickel, atomic mass is a 58.7. Okay.